Alright guys, so here we have a fresh big bang conversion straight out of the workshop. This bike has full MMM carbon pack with some carbon extras such as the faces on the wheels and the exhaust. This engine is stage 1 tuned, so it's running a bit more brake horsepower. We've got full bespoke alarm and tracking system. We've also got the LED light conversion, so we've got dynamic indicators and LED headlights. Now it's time for a little test ride. Alright guys, so once I've taken this bike on a test ride, it's going to be put back in our workshop and ready for one of you guys to buy. If you're interested in this bike, contact us through Facebook, Instagram, or give us a call.
Right guys, another customer's bike. We got it in 2019, Raptor 700, coming for power commander and a full airbox upgrade intake. So we're going to get their mods done and then we'll come back and show you what we've done and the improvements that it's made.
So where are we at on this bike, Joe?
Literally just went to start it. Got a bit of backfiring, so I decided to check the timing. Just adjusting that to make sure it runs smooth.
So we're stripping this engine down with wheel that was damaged. Just going to strip it down to see what sort of damage has been caused. We're going to send the cases off to be cerakoted. It's going to have a full stage 5 build, ported and polished, and it will go into one of our quads that's going to come up for sale pretty soon. So it'll be a little bit of special engine to keep your eyes peeled. Get yourself a little special number.
Set of customers A-arms here for a Banshee, getting dipped to the stealth carbon. Never actually done a set of Banshee A-arms, so this one's going to be fun. Yeah, so the Banshee so far, we've got the A-arms are going carbon. So we've got the carbon A-arms, they've been done. Carbon axle, basically full stealth pad like we do on the R1s, so the Banshee's having the same. Little sag here I've been working on. Madman Mechanics logos. Can go onto any logo you want really, can go onto absolutely anything you want.
It's all lacquered in.
All lacquered over, 2K lacquer, there's no edges. So yeah, it's just a little thing we're working on at the moment.
Dan, I'm the fat man here, Madman, doing the frames, exhaust, and all the other little bits that we need welding or machining or milling or anything like that. We are making, we're bike's the R1M with a 2CR engine. We're making the rest, we're using the original downpipes, the Yamaha downpipes, they're titanium, they're pretty good anyway, and they fit, we haven't got to modify these for the frames. So we're going to use original headers, and we've got these twin carbon cans, and we just need to make some link pipes really from the headers to the cans. Obviously, the Raptors aren't meant to have 2 cans on them, so a little bit of work modifying and stuff like that. Just trying to get the exhausters as flow if you can, no sharp angles or anything like that. And that's it really. A little bit fiddly making the exhaust system. There's a little bit of cutting, chopping, and making things all fit around the little nooks and crannies that they have to do whilst making it flow as good as possible. So I've started making the system down here, the link pipe coming up to the end can. So it's a little bit fiddly making the exhaust systems all flow right. You've got a little bit of cutting and chopping, tacking. You might have to break some tacks off and go again. But this is the link pipe that we've made so far. It's just tacked up for now. Just got one last little bend to do, get it up to the end, and then we'll crack on the other side.
guys, so Mister's come down with his stage 4 Raptor. He's about to go out on a track. This is the fastest Raptor in the UK. This isn't really meant for the off-road use, it's so fast, but he's going to give it a go. He's got knobblies on, he's going to have a bit of fun. Let's see what happens.